Yo, what's up everybody on YouTube? How you guys doing today? And today, man, I am so ready, man. Today I'm gonna be running my vending business. I'm gonna be doing how many locations today? I think 4 locations. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing 4 locations today. Right now I'm about to go to the tire place to fix my tire right now. You guys can see the back of this tire is kind of flat, so I'm about to go to the tire place, tire shop, and get it fixed and stuff. And let's get it, man. Grind to shine, man. I already have some snacks in the car. After fixing this tire, I'm gonna go to Sam's ASAP. After I go to Sam's, then I head to my destinations to fix in my locations. You know, you guys stay tuned for this collection. It's gonna be real cool, very cool. And let's get it, man. Grind to shine, man. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you go down below, smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a like button on this video. Don't forget to share it to your friends, and don't forget to turn your notification button on, man. Let's get it, man. Grind to shine. Let's get it. Hey, what's up everybody, man? Right now I just came out from Sam's. I got everything that I need. I mean, since I'm running 4 locations. Yeah, I think it's 4. Since I'm running 4 locations, I don't need a lot because I already got stuff in the car, and I think I still got more drinks on this location. So I'm about to put everything in the car. Damn, man, my car's in. Okay, I see my car. I'm about to put everything in the car and get ready to go to these locations, you know, and get it done ASAP. So I'm gonna try my best this time to get the videos of me in these locations, man. I'm gonna try my best to get the videos in the location today. So today's vlog is gonna be really cool, man. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Stay tuned. You guys can see. That's fine. Yo, I'm gonna leave my car on all day, man. One of the reason I'm leaving my car on all day because it's hot and I don't want these candies to melt. You already know I'm not taking L's this time, man, but I'm gonna catch you guys when I get to these locations, man. So stay tuned for the rest of this video on YouTube. I'm about to finish up my packages and head to the second location, the first location. Let's get it, man. First location. This is what I got from the 2 machine. I'm done, man. I'm done with my last location, my fourth location, man. Yo, man, one location was bad, man. One location was so, I think it was the snack was bad, man. The snack was really bad. The snacks didn't really do anything. I think the only amount that I put on that location on the snack is probably like, it was bad, man. But right now, it was a good collection. I'm not gonna lie. Other location did good. Other location did very good, and I'm so glad. And it's over. This is 4 locations. So what I'm gonna be showing you guys is collection for 4 locations. Right now, oh my God, I'm so tired, man. I haven't eaten nothing all day, man. Rich, it took me. I started around 11 o'clock and it's 2 o'clock right now. So 12, 1, 2. So it took me about 3 hours to finish my 4 location. The reason it took me that long is because, you know, this 3 location is spaced out, which I don't like it, man. It's far from each other, man. It's about 30 minutes drive away from each other, man. So really, all those locations that is all spaced out, man, I'm gonna try to get rid of it. The one that are so far from me, I'm gonna try to get rid of it and make it close. I'm trying to find a location that is closer to me, because if all my locations is close to me and they're all in the same area, this is only gonna take me like 1 hour or 1 hour 50 minutes. So I'm gonna be cutting my time down. So I don't like to spend a lot of time on the road driving, man. It really makes me annoying now, because I drive a lot. I drive way a lot, man. It's fun when I'm driving to go collect the money, but when you drive every day, every 2 weeks, and it's so far, man, you gotta be driving 30 minutes every time. It gets annoying, man. But I'm gonna show you guys the collection, man. So this is the collection right here. This is the collection for 4 location. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment. Let me know if it's a good collection, or let me know if it's a bad collection. Really, I'm looking at this, man. It's probably gonna be around, like, let me say, probably around like say around $400, man. So it's probably gonna be around $400, man, from 4 locations plus the coins. So I'm probably looking at like $450 to $500 from 4 locations. You know, this locations that I have are not the best locations, man. They're probably doing 100 plus each, you know, every 2 weeks. So which, you know, in a month they're probably doing like 2 something to 300 every month, you know, those locations. But it wasn't bad, man. And tomorrow I'm gonna go back to one of the other locations, because the drinks, I didn't have a lot of drinks in the bag. So I'm gonna go back and go buy drinks at Sam's tomorrow to refill those locations that need drinks and stuff. And you know, summer's supposed to be very busy, man. It's good. This summer is really good, man. The drinks are selling out really good, man. The drinks are doing what it's supposed to do during the summer, man, which I'm so proud of it, man. But you know, I have other great news coming to you guys, man. I don't know what else I'm about to say, man. Yeah, that's about it, man. I don't know if tomorrow too I'm gonna go do my candy machine, which I'm probably gonna try. Yeah, you know what, I'm probably just gonna do the video on the candy machine, because I just have 1 location candy machine with 2 candy machine on there. That's the only candy machine that I have. I'm just probably gonna do a video on it, on the collection. I don't know how long I've collected the money from that one. It's probably been a month or 2 months since I'm gonna be heading towards that location tomorrow. But once again, I'm gonna show you guys once again the collection video for today, which is a for 3 hours of walk. 3 hours of walk made about $500. That is nothing, man. You know, that's really good, man. So you're making 100 plus an hour, and it's a passive income. A lot of you guys don't understand. It's passive income. If you're making that much in 3 hours, it's good. It is good because it's passive. You only walk for 3 hours, you know, plus going to buy the products and all that stuff, driving around 3 hours amount of work, and you're making $500, man. Anybody that say that's not good is lying, man. So it's a good passive income. That's what I want you guys to know. Understand that vending business is passive income, and it can become a full-time job if you want it to be a full-time job. Thank you guys for watching this video, man. If you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel real quick, like this video, don't forget to turn your notification button on, and don't forget to grind to shine, man. The grind doesn't stop, man. Let's get it.